Hello! Optimus Prime and Bumblebee are hungry for a treat, so we're going to make them some ice cream. But first they're going to transform into Dinobots. Here's Bumblebee. Now it's Optimus's turn to transform. Now they're ready for a treat. Let's have some ice cream cones. Let's use brown Play-Doh to make chocolate ice cream. Scoop it up. Optimus wants vanilla. Let's use white Play-Doh to make vanilla ice cream. Let's add a little bit more to make it even bigger. I think this ice cream's missing something. Let's add some sprinkles. We'll put some on the chocolate ice cream. And some on the vanilla ice cream. Okay, the ice cream cones are all ready. Bumblebee, Optimus, are you ready to eat these ice cream cones? Okay, when I count to 3, you can both take a bite. 1, 2, 3. Huh? Who's that? It's Optimus Primal? Oh no, he's eating all of the ice cream! Uh-oh! Hey, we need to share the ice cream. Sorry, I was so hungry. Let's all have some ice cream together. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom. That was a fun treat. Thanks so much for watching.
Doh.